नहीं चाहिए।
We have your permission? We have it? The fear which we have in the mind, the fear which we have for the unknown, is dispelled only by scientific innovation and development. I am sure more of such things will go a long way in changing the face and profile of the country, which is on incremental journey to be Vishwaguru. I was happy to note that very wholesome reflections were made with respect to the new education policy evolved after considering all the stakeholders, and that policy promotes innovation, scientific input. I am so glad that there is collection of human minds at a place where our talent is making the entire world proud. I look forward to a day where there will be no fear of any nature whatsoever. One kind of a fear can be dispelled by scientific innovation. The other fear which is in the human mind has to be dealt with within. Fear and freedom do not go together. Fear and democracy do not go together. If a citizen is under fear, that is the most critical challenge to any governance, to any society. Freedom means freedom from fear. Democracy means freedom from fear. Constitutional working means freedom from fear. Rule of law means freedom from fear. And that fear, we all must work, should not be in our lives. It is difficult for me to say at the moment, we are free from that fear. We are at the moment not free from that fear. Fear at the moment has taken a shape. The people are so much in fear, they can't even talk about the fear. And that's a sad commentary. I appeal to everyone. I plead with intelligentsia. This place, state of West Bengal, by its culture ethos, has no place for fear for human minds. We must liberate human minds of any fear that we see all around. That will be our humble contribution to civilization growth. Thank you so much.
Actually, now people are very much concentrated among themselves. They are very self-centered, rather I should say. Previously, everybody was knowing NATMO, not only India, outside world. Professor Padma-Bhushan S.P. Chatterjee, when he is the founder member, and he himself is an institute. So when he started this institute in the 1956, under that leadership, under the guidance, under the inspiration of the then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, and that time whole world was knowing him. And he used to, that time, this is 1956, 60s, I should say, that time throughout the world they were knowing Professor S.P. Chatterjee. Even now when I used to visit in different parts of India, some people from USA and other countries, when they come to know that I am from NATMO, they immediately they come to me and come close to me that you are from this organization where Professor Chatterjee was there. So he was knowing by all over India. And that time when it was established, very few organization was there, and NATMO used to work for all the organization, like for a Survey of India, like Census, and other organization like Irrigation Department, Minister of Water Resources. So NATMO was working for them. And now also those who are in this field, those who are working in this field, they all know NATMO. It is not like that people are not knowing. Actually, those who are related with this subject matter, they all know.
Ma'am, tell us something about today's program.
Actually, this is the program we are hosting. Actually, this is the we are hosting on behalf of Indian National Cartographic Association. This is the association comprised of different government as well as institutions and universities. It was formed. And we provide the platform to NATMO to promote the students, how they are educating, how their innovativeness, their science, their research, that they get chance to focus themselves. This is the platform to make them aware, to deliver their products. So actually, this is the basic idea behind this Congress.
Okay, ma'am. What are your future projects?
Actually, now the transformation is going on, regular transformation is going on. Now we are completely under digital platform. Now we are developing from 2D to 3D, and in future, if we could succeed in that 3D, we will go for 4D. So presently we are transforming from the 2D to 3D platform, and our platform GeoPortal is very soon it will be launched. Now it is working. Soon it will be launched, and every information along with the app development that will be done very soon.
Is available now?
And not now, it is under preparation. It will be very soon, it will come up.
This is the 40th INCA International Congress. NATMO this year is hosting the program in the premises of Hyatt Hotel. It's a very, what should I say, deemed association. I think almost we have branches over there in, the INCA has branches over there in Bangalore, Delhi, it has covered almost all over India, and it is associated with International Cartographic Association, ICA, and NATMO feels very privileged to host this program this year, and we are falling in line with all the cartographic presentations that are being given. We are preparing drone mapping, mappings. We are doing the maps through drones, and 3D mapping we have initiated. I think that will cater to the public needs and utilities for the policy makers.
So basically we are moving towards digital platform.
Actually, we have almost totally shifted. There is a paradigm shift from the, that was the physical mode which was used earlier to the digital mode.
How the common public will get benefited from it?
Yeah, of course. I think so much of detailed mapping will surely boost the policy makers to have a clear-cut agenda and clear-cut policy. They can make their policies based on that.
Do you have any website?
Yes, www.natmo.org.in.
সমস্ত খবরের তৎক্ষণাৎ আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনটি ক্লিক করে বেল বাটনটি ক্লিক করুন।
আরও খবরের আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি আর বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করুন নোটিফিকেশনস পেতে।